What's up, YouTube? This is Gaming Godfather coming at you with another Yu-Gi-Oh video. Today I will be opening 10 Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy booster packs. Right now there's a couple cards I'm looking for out of this pack right now. I wouldn't mind getting another Evil Storm Tachyon. I need one more. I have two already. Oh, right off the bat, Hollow Madolche Knight, super rare. Nice. Starting off to a strong point. Of course, everyone wants Dracossack. I would keep Dracossack if I pulled it. I'm sorry, guys. He would not be for trades. I don't actually really do trades over, like, online and stuff. I do have an eBay page. Not really selling anything at the moment over the holidays, so I'm not gonna bother posting. Dual Barrel! Oh my god, Dual Barrel. Beautiful. This counts as a hollow card. Dual Barrel. I'm not actually going to be posting a link in my description because I don't actually have anything posted right now, so I'm not too worried about it. Here we go. Do we have? It's oh no, the rare card. I'm skipping over a lot of the commons and stuff. Not really too worried about common cards. Baby dragons, which totally just, they were like, no baby dragons for you guys. Oh, Sacred Sword of 7 stars. Too bad it hit the ban list. It's gonna be limited down to 1, which is kind of funny. Kind of funny. Green Dustin! Oh, Blaster. I don't actually know if I have a rare Blaster. I know I have the secret rare versions of them. Blaster! I apologize for that glare. It's a nasty glare. Oh yeah. And we got... Oh! Scramble, ultra rare. Scramble. Not bad. Ultra and a super so far. No, 2 supers and an ultra. I got 3 packs to go. Come on. Let's see what we can pull. Anything good? Anything? Ooh, Constellar Sombre. There we go. I'll take that. Not Evil Storm Tachyon, but, you know. Maybe he will hear my beck and call and come running. Tachyon! Kind of like the old Godzilla movies. Megalon! It's Tachyon! Hey! Ultimate Rare 107 Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon! Oh my god, you would not believe the amount of these I've pulled out of this pack. Absolutely outrageous. Last pack, guys! Last pack! Alright, listen. Not a bad pull ratio so far. Can we end off on a strong note? Can we get that? No, we can't. It's just the Brotherhood of the Fire-Fist Wolf. Well, guys, there you have it. 10 Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy packs. These aren't hollows. I got 5 out of 10. I got an Ultra, an Ultimate, and 3 Supers. Not a bad pull ratio. Sacred Swords, Madolche Knights, Constellar Sombres, 107 Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon, and Scramble. So, tell me how you guys think I did down in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like, rate, and subscribe. And this has been Gaming Godfather. I will see you later. Adios.